Ever wondered how to supercharge your monthly profits? A proven system is knocking on your door, ready to transform your online venture into a cash-generating machine. But how, you ask? Well, it's all about leveraging Google My Maps to boost your web traffic. Intrigued? Stick around and you'll learn how to turn the tide in your favor. First off, what is Google My Maps? It's a tool designed by Google to let users create custom maps for personal or business use. It's a hidden gem in the world of online marketing, a powerhouse waiting to be discovered. Step 1 in this process involves creating your custom map. Go to the Google My Maps homepage. Click on Create a New Map. Give your map a title and description, preferably something relevant and catchy. This is your first step towards greater visibility. Now, on to step 2. This involves adding locations to your map. Remember, these locations should be relevant to your business or service. For example, if you run a pizza delivery service, the locations could be the areas you deliver to. Add as many locations as you can, the more the better. Step 3. Customize your map. Google My Maps offers a plethora of options to personalize your map. Change the base map style, add layers, or even include directions. This is your chance to make your map stand out. Step 4 is all about sharing your map. Once you've perfected your map, it's time to share it with the world. You can embed it on your website, share it on social media, or even send it via email. The goal here is to get as many eyes on your map as possible. As you progress through these steps, you'll start to see a rise in your web traffic. But why? Simply put, Google loves its own products. By using Google My Maps, you're essentially playing into Google's hands, and in return, Google rewards you with higher search rankings. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use Google My Maps to bolster your web traffic, and in turn, your profits. So, what's stopping you from taking this leap? It's time to unlock your potential and take your online venture to heights you've never imagined before. Remember, the world of online entrepreneurship is a battlefield, and only the most innovative survive. So equip yourself with this new weapon, charge into the battlefield, and watch as your monthly profits skyrocket. Don't wait for success to come to you. Instead, chase it down, seize it, and make it yours. Now go ahead and give it a try. Your future self will thank you for it.